Hey everyone, welcome to day 3 of the Spellbinders 2025 Crafty Advent Calendar. We're going to open the third window today. They are perforated, but they're a bit tight, and I want to keep them in good condition because I keep them for the storage purposes because they show the image of what it is. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Alright, let's cut this off so we can share a close-up. And for storage, you just flip it over so you can see the image. Cut off any parts that are uneven or will drive you nuts over the years. And we've got a bunny and a magic hat. That is so adorable. Alright. That's a pretty good number of dies here. We've got the hat, the bunny, the magic wand. This looks like it's probably the hat trim, and we've got some stars, and looks like this is probably like the eyes and the nose, and then this looks like part of the wand. So super cute. Alright, let's get making. Advent Calendar just really screamed interactive. So I made this little tag with push, and voila, this bunny comes up out of the magician's hat, and there's a wand. The crystals are all from Amazon, and this back portion here with the marbling, this is actually a card base from Hobby Lobby, and then I put a negative die cut. The die itself is from Spellbinders, and then this is the negative piece that I used to kind of make a frame. And the Hope You're Magical stamp, this stamp is from day 2, and so it's interactive. The bunny comes up and down, and he's kind of held in place by all the crystals. And then I've got another one that is up and down. And this textured folder in the background is part of the Spellbinders Club Kit, I believe in September of 25. This is the Spellbinders Day 2 Advent Calendar stamp set. Of course, we have day 3 for this bunny rabbit. The star, I think the star die might have come from Michael's, but I'm not sure. I can't remember. And our cardstock here is Stampin' Up! And Color Wheel cardstock. And my third card is stationery, also super cute, much easier to make stationery. And this fancy foiled botanical paper and the pattern botanical, this is leftovers from my wedding thank you cards, and these are from Stampin' Up! Splendid Thoughts. And again, I used the sentiment from day 2, Hope Your Day is Magical, to go with this magical bunny. Hope you enjoyed day 3 with the bunny in the magician's hat.
I'd love to know which card is your favorite. Please let me know in the comments below, and hit the like button so YouTube will know to send this to other people looking for Advent inspiration. I'll be posting the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar throughout December 2025. Subscribing to my channel is free and allows you to find my videos faster. If you'd like to know when my videos are posted, click on the notification button and select your preferred notification frequency. If you're also crafting with this calendar, please tag me. I'd love to see your projects.